Okay, good morning. I don't know if you can see that. You're probably thinking, why am I looking down a toilet? Because we've got a leak. It's constantly flowing. With the prices of water and everything at the moment, we've got to solve this problem. And the problem is, they're quite old now, but these little jibbery things here, and you can see all the stuff in the bottom, is furred up, because we live in a hard water area. So we're going to change this unit here. I can make that out. We're changing that for a new one. So you're going to need a couple of good sized spanners. We need a big one for the nut on the back here. We need one for that. And then we're going to salvage some of the bits. So the first thing you have to do is find your isolation valve. So look around, come up, follow the pipes up, bingo. Okay, so you're going to find one that stops the water, easily done. You can flush the toilet and then turn that off. We'll do that now. Hold on 1 second. So let's do a bit of a flush. Get the screwdriver. It doesn't matter if you turn them both off, it doesn't really matter. Sorry. Turn him off. We chose correctly. We'll see. Watch this. Ready? So, isolation valve. Off. Okay. So sometimes they'll do a full turn. They come back on again, so you just go halfway. Okay, so we're turned off there. Right. Next thing is to undo. You're going to get a little bit of water. Don't worry about it. It's only a smidgen. Like that. And then we're going to do the big nut, but I haven't got my spanner with me, so I won't fetch that now. It's only on very, very loosely. So I'll do it. So you've got a couple of drops coming out, that's fine. It's that simple. That simple. Okay, look at all the muck. Well, it's just fell in there actually. This is the new one. Oh, jolly fill. Side inlet valve. I forgot to mention it's side fill. Bottom fill we have at the bottom, side fill. Pretty straightforward. Comes a complete unit. Is that in focus? There we go. So it comes with your washer and your adjuster. So what we do, put your washer on first. Because that's going to squeeze against the side of the tank. Okay. We have the nut. Okay, we're going to hinge that up now, get it nice and tight. Okay, so you want to loosen it up, don't fully tighten it, just loosen it because you've got to get this pipe across. And it's a little bit awkward because there's a slightly difference in size. We've got to cross-thread it either. So we're going to get this lined up perfect. So you want this pipe to fit in. It's got this little washer, I'll show you that. There's a slight discrepancy, see? So I've undone the clip on the wall and we're going to push it across a little bit. That'll take up any slack. I'll also slacken this off, so there's play in there when I screw it back. Okay, so once
the insert that goes in there, what's the other one for?
What insert?
There's two inserts. One goes in there, doesn't it?
No, just the one goes straight through,
yeah,
and then it just threads into that.
Oh, right.
Oops. Yeah.
Those little red things that were...
I don't know what they're for.
One goes into there.
Did you put one in yours?
Yeah, I put one in mine. But I didn't know what the other one went. I didn't know if it
Probably
went
different sizes.
Could be.
Let's have a look. Okay, these are pressure valves by the look of them. So you, according to the instructions, you fit them sort of in this part of the pipe which goes in. And we haven't got great pressure here anyway, and it will reduce from, it says 6 bar or 4 bar, so that's what they're for. That's why it's coming. There we go. Right, so let's tighten this up. Let's see if she leaks. Clip on, pipes on, all tightened up. Let's trusty screwdriver. It was confident, wasn't it? Dry as a bone. What do you say, John? 10 minutes to fit them?
Yeah.
Easy, just 10 minutes. Greases up and then.
They are if the thing's in the right place.
Yeah. Done. That's it. Let's give it a quick flush. I think it'll tighten in. We'll do that while we're here. Yeah, so those inserts are pressures. I'm not an expert. We just have to. We're just maintenance in the school, so. And it should stop now. Perfect. Thanks very much for watching. If you enjoyed the vid, please give it a thumbs up, and plenty more to come, and we'll catch you in the next one. All the best.